A water inlet fault may occur when it's blocked or restricted. In this video, we'll show you the steps to try and rectify this fault. To fix this problem, first check the following. Step 1. Check if the tap has been opened properly. Step 2. Check the hose to make sure there are no kinks in it. Step 3. Clean the water inlet filter. Unscrew the inlet hose. Carefully remove the washer. You may want to use pliers for this. Using the same pointed pliers, carefully remove the filter and rinse clean under the tap. Once this is clean, replace the filter and washer, ensuring both are correctly inserted. Now, reconnect the water inlet hose to the tap. We recommend using multi-grip pliers to tighten the inlet hose if it's difficult to connect by hand. Repeat the same procedure for the other water inlet hose. If you have checked all of these and the inlet is still faulty, it might be due to low water pressure in your home. For this, you will need to contact a plumber.